ikaw lang may sunod. Ay! Yaw! Nalaman na ina!
Okay, Tansa. Okay, category 3. Mister. Okay. Next is Mr. Hansel Pala from category 3. Okay, so while waiting, nag-prepare sa yung music, tawag ko, isa ka major award. Major raffle.
O yan, ako abasig mapil ni kahatag niya, ma.
Okay, raffle again. Major ha, major. Isa ka ni, dapat receive. Okay.